This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In Meghalaya, the death toll in the aftermath of the clash which erupted at Ichamati near Shilla on February 28 has risen to 3, with the latest attack being reported at Pirkan village under Shilla police station, East Khasi Hills District along the Indo-Bangla border. The latest victim was from Pirkan village. It may be mentioned that on February 28th, a clash broke out between the Khasi Students' Union members and some non-locals at Ichamati soon after a meeting organized by the union on CAA and ILP ended. Meanwhile, the East Khasi Hills District Magistrate has promulgated curfew in parts of Shillong city with effect from 6 a.m. today until further orders. In a statement, the magistrate said that the areas to be under curfew are Yudo, Barabazar, Paltan Bazar, Jeep stand from District Council Point leading to Matran area up to YMCA under Lumdingjeri Police Station, entire Police Bazaar including road from Umsoson Bridge up to Kandailad under Sardar Police Station and entire area under Cantonment Beat House. Education Minister Lakpen Rimboy has informed that all board examination will be held as scheduled. The higher secondary school leaving certificate examination will begin from today, while the secondary school leaving certificate examinations will start on March 4th. Arunachal Pradesh Home Minister Bamang Felix flagged off the construction works for a part of the Trans Arunachal Highway amid controversy over compensation for providing land for the project. With the commencement of the construction work, the Potin-Pangain stretch of the highway is all set to see the light of the day after nearly 12 years of wait, he said. The compensation below 5 lakh rupees will be paid before March 15th this year, the minister said after flagging off the work at Anya Gate in Zero in Lower Subarnasiri district. For more than 5 lakh rupees compensation, 55% of the amount will be paid in March while the rest will be disbursed on or before August this year, the Home Minister said. The construction work of the 2,608 crore rupees extra dosed road bridge over Brahmaputra here began yesterday with Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal performing Bhumi Pujan. The 8.4 kilometer long extra dosed bridge will be the first of its kind in the northeast, and it will connect Guwahati and North Guwahati at Varanamukh. The proposed bridge will revolutionize connectivity across the Brahmaputra, Sonowal said. The 6-lane bridge will have approach roads on both sides of the Brahmaputra, while the actual bridge over the river will be 1.24 kilometer. The project is estimated to be completed within 4 years. The foundation stone of the bridge was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 9, 2019. With the launch of the first robotic surgery unit at hospital on Sunday, patients of the Northeast will not have to travel to other parts of the country or abroad for undergoing the advanced procedure, an Assam minister said. The first of its kind in the northeastern region, the robotic surgery unit was launched at a private hospital in Guwahati. Officially launching the Versius Robot and Robotic Operation Theatre in the hospital, Assam Minister of State for Health Piyush Hazarika said it will provide high-value services to society in terms of medical care. People in the state and the region can remain in the comforts of a known environment without having to go to other parts of the country or abroad, he said. The budget session of the Assam Assembly will begin today at Dispur in Guwahati. Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma will table the budget for the next financial year on Friday. There will be a total of 14 sittings. Security has been beefed up near State Assembly in the wake of the budget session. Along with the rest of the country, Nagaland State Commission for Women yesterday organized a night walk campaign to popularize and promote women's safety. Thousands of women from different walks of life and tribes participated in the night walk that started from TCP Gate Junction. The march culminated at Old MLA Hostel Junction. The participants, comprising women, children and young ladies from different Naga tribes and non-Naga inhabitants of the state capital, held placards during the march. The situation in Nagaland is unlike other parts of the country, but Naga women are in solidarity with the rest of the women folk who have been facing unwanted situations, Tasha said, while replying to a query from media persons on whether the commission feels Naga girls and women are not safe. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.